Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to be reviewing Asana Rebel, which is a fitness and wellness application that combines yoga, workouts, and mindfulness to help you stay active and healthy. So before we dive into this video, you can check out the link in the description to explore Asana Rebel for yourself. So first of all, we need to understand what is Asana Rebel. So Asana Rebel is a fitness and lifestyle application that focuses on yoga inspired workouts, offering a mix of strength training, cardio, meditation, and healthy habit building. It is designed for people who want a holistic approach to fitness without spending hours at the gym. So there are some of the things that I like about this particular app. So it is yoga based, so it combines various yoga with strength and cardio exercises. You will also find the plans that are personalized, so you can adapt to your fitness level and your goals. You will also get the guided meditation and sleep feature in this application, which helps with the relaxation and better sleep. And the interface is also very easy to use and easy to understand. So all the workouts can be done at home and in the gym and while traveling as well. So the only con of this app is that it is subscription based. However, if you use the link that is given in the description, you will get 50% discount on it. So if you are looking for a wellness focused fitness application that blends yoga, strength training, and mindfulness, in my opinion, Asana Rebel is an excellent choice. It is perfect for those who want to stay active, improve flexibility, and build healthier habits in all of these in one application. So again, you can check out the link in the description. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.